Hi everyone, in today's video, I want to guide you on how to turn on system protection on Windows PC, either Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8 and Windows 7. The process is very simple. Come to the search button here, write in restore point or restore. It's going to give you this option, click on it. So once you click on that point, it comes out like this. You have your restore point here. You can see it is turned off. So click on it. Click on configure. Once you click on configure, it comes out like this. Click on this button to turn it on. Once you turn it on, come to this place and give at least 5% of your drive size here. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now with this, guys, you'll be able to turn on system protection on your Windows 11. Then move forward and create a restore point, which is very important. Come to this button and click on create. Create, then name it, let me say my point 1. Then click on create. Wait a few seconds for this to be created. In a moment, it's going to be created. You can see that says the restore point was created successfully. Close this one. Now click on restore point. This time around, you want to create your restore point. Click on this button. Once you click on the button, it comes out like this. Click on next button. Now select this restore point. Click on it. Then click on next. Once you click on next, then you select it, then click on finish. Follow the screen process, guys. Your restore point will be created successfully on this device. And that's all, guys, on how to create restore point on your device. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.